Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to fix your Roblox error code or the 403 authentication failed. Hey guys, so if you're having an error like specifically the Roblox error code 403 authentication failed, this error usually means Roblox cannot verify your login session, often caused by corrupted cache, expired credentials, or network restriction. So here's some steps that you need to do in order to get it back. So first, you want to log out and back into your Roblox. You want to sign out of Roblox and log back in. This refreshes your authentication token. Next is you want to clear your Roblox cache. So to do that, if you're in Windows, you want to press Windows R and then this one you should type this one percent local app data percent and then press OK. But if you're using a Mac, you want to go to your library, go to caches, and go to Roblox. So from here, if you're using the Windows, so you want to scroll down and find Roblox. After that, tap that and then press delete. This will allow you to delete your cache on your Roblox. Next is you want to restart your browser or app session. So if you are using a browser, you want to clear cookies and cache and then try again. And if you're using the app, you want to uninstall and reinstall your Roblox for a clean session. Lastly, you want to check your internet and firewall settings. So restart your router, disable your VPNs or proxies, and ensure Roblox is allowed through your antivirus or firewall. And that's it on how to fix the Roblox error code 403 or the authentication failed.